Namaskar from your Sanmitra, Sustainability Hydrogenwala. Friends, having looked at world's largest green hydrogen project in previous episodes, let's look at European Union's first integrated green steel project in Sweden today. Objective of this knowledge snippet is to appraise you about what's happening at the world's first integrated green steel project and probably largest green steel project at Sweden. And your friend Hydrogenwala also explains you what's the how's the financing has been done and how what's the carbon impact of this project going forward, deciding the decarbonization pathway for the entire global steel industry. Please refer slide here giving details about this project. This project is situated at Boden city, around 150 kilometers away from famous port city of Luleå in northern Sweden. Approximate land requirement is 276 hectares. Project is undertaken by H2 Green Steel, a group company of SMS Group and supported by Paul Rath and Midrex. It features firm 5 to 7 year offtake of green steel from auto majors like Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Scania. Overall envisaged capacity is 5 mmtpa of green hydrogen based DRI. Under the first phase, 2.5 mmtpa of green steel will be established using green hydrogen based DRI. It will be characterized with green hydrogen consumption of 120,000 tons per annum of green hydrogen. This will be produced through 800 megawatt of electrolyzer. This capacity is intended to make H2 Green Steel project one of the largest green steel facilities in the world. Nearby hydro and wind projects will feed required RE power on RTC basis, and iron ore from raw material as a raw material from Rio Tinto, for which requisite contracting has been done. Please refer slide here giving financing package. Its cost financing details reflects its scale and ambition of Sweden. Total cost of H2 Green Steel project is around euro 6.5 billion. This includes 2 billion for steel making, 3.5 billion capex for green hydrogen making, and remaining towards RE and other infra. As per public statements given by H2 Green Steel's officials, debt funding of around 4.2 billion has been arranged. It includes senior debt of 3.5 billion and remaining is the junior debt for working capital purposes. Debt has been secured from 20 lenders including European Investment Bank, BNP Paribas, ING. Further, apart from principal promoters, equity has been contributed by Microsoft Climate Innovation Fund, Siemens Financial Services through a private placement route. Project also features a grant of euro 0.25 billion from EU Innovation Fund, which primarily gets funded through proceeds of EU ETS. Please refer slide here for carbon saving potential. H2 Green Steel project in Sweden is designed to have a transformative impact on carbon emissions in the steel industry. The project aims to reduce CO2 emissions by up to 95% as compared to traditional steel making methods. Reduction is achieved by replacing conventional blast furnace process, which relies heavily on coke and coal, with hydrogen based direct reduction and electric arc furnace technologies. This large volume of green steel can significantly displace fossil fuel use by traditional steel making. It is estimated that this project will abate about 14,000 tons of CO2 daily. This translates into annual carbon abatement potential of 4.7 to 4.8 million metric tons, equivalent to annual emissions from 9,50,000 cars on the road. Therefore, this project contributes to Sweden's goal of achieving net zero emissions by 2045. By advancing green steel production, it also helps to offset emissions in other sectors that are harder to decarbonize. To sum up, H2 Green Steel project is 2.5 mmtpa green steel capacity, project cost of about 6.5 billion euro, getting funded out of debt equity ratio of 65-35, carbon abatement potential in the range of 4.7 to 4.8 mmtpa. giving a strategic direction towards decarbonization of steel industry globally. To receive such videos, please like and subscribe. Also, share with your friends and colleagues who may find it interesting. Jai Hind, all the best, and see you soon with such interesting facts and projects of featuring God's molecule.